Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your Shein discount code. So here it's pretty simple. So I prefer to use my own website for this. So here, just open up a Safari or Google in your browsers. So this can be in your MacBooks, your iPhones, your Android phones, anywhere. So here, all you have to do is check this out. So it's called couponfollow.com. Here, you're just gonna search in the top right corner for Shein and enter your store. So here I'm in the store ready for Shein and discount codes. As you can see, you can scroll down and see different discount codes. Of course, this will vary from time to time, of course. So in the month of August, there's going to be different. September, there's going to be different codes again. This will renew every month, week, and soon as it expires, it won't be valid anymore in Shein. So get it while it's still here. So here, all you have to do is copy the code to be copied to your clipboard as soon as you do it, and then you can redeem it at Shein. So here, there's going to be a button where it's going to redirect you to the app itself or the website itself if you're using your computers, and then you're going to be able to use that code. It's just that simple. So that is how you get your Shein discount code. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.